Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady M6 gimbals. Today, we will explore the key features of each gimbal, including their stabilization technology, design, and usability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned videographer, understanding the differences between these two products will help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is significantly more affordable at just $99, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you prioritize. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offers essential features such as ultra-wide-angle mode and iSteady 7.0 stabilization, making it suitable for casual users. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M6 boasts advanced features like an OLED display, magnetic fill light, and AI tracking, providing more creative options for professional videographers. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right gimbal for your filming style. In terms of usability, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is praised for its ease of use, making it ideal for beginners. However, some users find the Hohem iSteady M6 to be more complex due to its advanced features, which may require a learning curve. Depending on your experience level, this aspect could significantly impact your filming experience. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady M6 have their unique strengths. The Mobile Plus is perfect for those on a budget or just starting out, while the M6 caters to users seeking advanced features for professional quality video. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.